Okay, so today we have our second segment of product demo from George of Honeypot.
Indeed.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Could you give us an overarching view of what Honeypot is?
Yes, Honeypot is a dating app that connects people on the day. It's all about same-day dating. We're trying to facilitate a match to happen with a view to actually meeting that person you match with on the day, quite spontaneously. We've got a simple story feature in there that you can add to your story, and by adding to your story, it shows the immediacy of availability right now. What we've done is we've broken up London into honeypots, and what is a honeypot? A honeypot is a London borough that's visualised on the map. If you're inside the honeypot, you can see other people that are also in that honeypot.
Interesting, okay.
So, and then you can connect with people to organise that same day date.
Now, when you started this, I'm assuming you used other dating apps before. And what is the problem that you're trying to solve with Honeypot?
Yeah, the problem we're trying to solve is, I really believe on other apps, it's become so saturated and we've got swipe or like fatigue. I think we're just sitting there on the sofa at home and just sort of matching for the sake of it now. It's much more of like an ego boost or a dopamine hit because we expect matches to happen, but we don't act on the matches that happen. Now, I don't think people are actually meeting more people more often and dating in a more efficient way. What we're trying to do here at Honeypot is to kind of firstly speed up the dating process without it becoming disposable, but create something where dating is much more part of your everyday life, and we want to sort of deformalize it, where it's okay just to meet some match with them and an hour later you're going for a drink with them after work. That's exciting, that's spontaneous, and that's everything the app stands for, to try to connect people in this way. Amazing.
Now, would you be able to demo the product now?
Absolutely.
So go through the phone.
Okay, so just open that up there. Brings you up to Honeypot. As you can see, it pulls you into London. We're just live in London at the moment, so you know, we're currently in the Islington Honeypot. So these are all different London boroughs, these shades of purple, and I will only be able to see people who are inside the Islington Honeypot now. Before we start and see the people that are also in this honeypot, I'm just going to go onto my profile here. Normal date, that's me looking a bit crazy. This is just a normal sort of dating profile. Got a bio there, simple bio, height. You can add in Instagram if you want, and make sort of edits on that thing. But I'm going to talk about how we bring the profile to life in a minute using the story feature. But in terms of seeing the people, just click that button there. These are the people in the Islington Honeypot that meet my criteria. Not going to be showing anyone that doesn't actually meet your criteria. So just have a little scroll through here. People, say someone catches your eye. Let's just go on Liv. Here we go, top one. Marketing manager, you can win me over with dogs, red wine and chocolate, that kind of thing, a few pictures. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm thinking, I'm in the headspace, I want a date today. How do I go about this? Well, I need to firstly show my availability on the app. We're going to do a quick story here. So I just press free today, add story. Let's just do a little video. Quick video here, we're free today. I'm going to write some text over it and say, coffee later, kind of thing. Put it there. And now that basically adds that story to my profile. And everyone in the Islington Honeypot will be able to now see that. So just loading that in. As you can see there now, it appears in the top there, coffee later. And that goes on there. But let's say I've done my quick story, but I want to get in touch with someone. Let's try and get Liv's attention. Press send buzz. Sending a buzz is basically like sending a little nudge or a like. So if I now send a buzz to Liv, it's double opt-in. So she then has the ability to either accept or decline the buzz. If she accepts, we can message each other. If she declines, we can't. And you get 5 buzzes a day. So you kind of got to be selective and choose wisely.
Interesting.
Of who you buzz.
So you can't
just spam. That's the point. We don't want you to spam everyone out. We don't really want to. We don't want to. At this stage, we want to get people meeting and using it in a way where they like what we're trying to do, but we don't really want to keep you on the app too much at the moment. We want to get you actually out there and meeting more people. So let's just send Liv a buzz. So buzz has now gone through to her, and if we're lucky, we'll get a notification back, hopefully, saying your buzz has been accepted. There we go. Buzz has been accepted. Click on it. Send message. You've matched. Now it's time to arrange a time and place to meet. Hey, Liv. Fancy grabbing a coffee later. She would have also seen my story now.
Yeah.
So she would have seen what's on my profile. Fancy grabbing a coffee later. Let's see if she comes back immediately. Classic live demos. There we go. Hi George, sounds good. Whereabouts? Wicked. How does Old Street sound? Cool. And then the point is, you see how we're cutting the small talk of actually just getting to the point of going for a date straight away. It's rather than this, what are your favourite films? You know, what we can do, that can be talked about on the date, on the meeting. It's just a way to try to speed up the process. So they're obviously perfect. Cool. So we'll continue on that conversation of a time and place of where we're actually, you know, I've said Old Street, but just to you know, the dialogue has been started. But by matching with that person, they're in the headspace that they've also been like, oh, cool, I've just been buzzed. You know, I'm up for a date today. So it speeds up the process.
That's really interesting because you guys are optimizing for a different outcome.
Yes.
So you guys are optimizing for meeting them as soon as possible.
Exactly.
As opposed to other apps where you have to come up with a really funky chat up line.
No.
Which is
exactly.
difficult.
And you see how, you know, what I've done, I'll go onto my profile as well. You know, what I've done is I can add stories, and by doing that, Liv's obviously seen that, seen that I want, you know, coffee later, and that has brought my profile to life and made it much more visual and engaging. So she can see that I'm obviously a real person because I've recorded that from my phone. Yeah, that's me. My video matches my pictures. So there's that degree of maybe safety of having a story in there. Yeah. But by doing that short story states, I'm free today. Yeah. But then, of course, I got Liv's attention by just sending that little nudge to her.
Would you be able to talk us through the onboarding process?
Yes, absolutely. So the onboarding process, when someone installs Honeypot, they will see, obviously, here. So right now, we just have got login with Facebook. Our alternative login is coming soon, where we can use your mobile number. But right now, the first version, is done using Facebook, and Honeypot is only available in London to begin with. So hit that.
And you have to have a Facebook profile for the time being. For
the time being. This is something we're looking to change. Yeah. So when you go, firstly, we're explaining what's a honeypot. Yeah. A honeypot is a London borough, a university campus, an airport, the list goes on. Yeah. Free today, add to story. So by adding that story, it basically says, I'm available today. It states, it puts that into people's heads. They've done a story for a reason because they're available today. Send and receive buzzes to connect with singles around you. Match, cut the small talk and meet that day. Dating just got spontaneous. Let's start. When you go in, enable your notifications. And this brings you onto your profile. So you choose your profile picture, you choose the name. You can either put your Instagram handle if you want. Introduce yourself, quick bio, add some photos. What you're interested in, your age, your occupation, and your range. Hit save. Then that takes you through to your profile. Allow while using app. Takes you through to your profile. And of course, if you've done any stories, that's where you add from the story, and that was the thing we did earlier.
That's a seamless onboarding process.
Very straightforward.
Was that purposely designed into the app? Because
we just wanted to make it as clear as possible. You know, there are lots of dating apps out there that are quite confusing with how it actually works. You don't really sort of understand straight away, well, what does it do? How do I match people? Build a very straightforward profile, which we're working in terms of our UX to make that look a bit prettier. For our first version, it does the job and it's good enough. As soon as you create it, you've got your profile there, and then you see the snapshot of the people in the honeypot. Very straightforward.
Amazing, amazing.
Cool.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate this.
Thank you.
And if there's any other product feature in the future, feel free to reach out to us again.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.